Alright guys, so we just got a little call, a little out-of-state number call. Y'all about to see something real quick. Oh shit, they got a truck on there.
Buy one, get one free.
Buy one, get one free. A ver. ¿Qué es eso? Oh shit. ¿Quién es esa? Alright guys, so I said on my last video, something was coming since I sold the GMC. So I'll present to y'all the new daily. So 2020 5.0 10 speed. Viejo, ¿de dónde viene usted, viejo, con esa troca? ¿Cómo se llamaba de dónde viene la troca? No, pero ¿qué estado?
De la Florida.
Viene de Florida.
Florida.
We picked up this truck from Florida. We got it at the dealership and they shipped it to us. And it just got here. I've been waiting all week. I've been anxious for it. And it finally got here. I was keeping it a secret until the vlog. Well, y'all gonna see it now. But yeah, it's a 2020 5.0 10 speed 4x4. This is gonna be our new daily shop truck. And of course, y'all already know we're not gonna leave it stock.
No, pero sí está bien chula para venir de Florida para acá.
A la verga, güey. ¿Cómo le haces, güey?
Chambeando, cabrón, chambeando.
¿Cómo le haces? Hola, maestro.
For the rugged, for the rugged, for the rugged, for the rugged. Been a little too nice to y'all. Now I gotta up price on y'all. Snake eyes on dice for y'all. Shoulders on ice for y'all. 8-6 all the hay. I won't get involved today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls. I'm flipping the all record, off record. I still.
Alright guys, so this is the new Mamalona, the new daily. And of course, it had to be silver or gray, something to remind me of the GMC. We have big plans for this truck. Like I said in the last video, I kind of want to make the maroon truck a race truck already, so I need another street truck, I guess. So this is gonna be the new shop truck. It's a 5.0, it's a 10 speed, and it is 4x4. I still don't know exactly what we're gonna do to it. For sure, we're going boosted. That's for sure. Well, what do they say when they get these trucks that they do bolt-ons?
Bolt-ons, yeah.
So I think I'm gonna go bolt-on 2 turbos on this truck. That's like probably next week or something already.
Damn.
And yeah, it's either gonna be twins, which it's probably gonna be twins. And I'm kind of debating about a Whipple, but I think we're just gonna go twins on it. But we'll see. I have a week to think about it. But yeah, there she is. It'll be a new shop truck. It's a 2020 Ford. I was gonna get the 21 body style because they did change a little bit. But I started reading into it. I started getting into doing some research because I don't know nothing about Ford, guys. Performance-wise, this is gonna be our first Ford truck. Yeah. So I started doing a little bit of research, and the 21 supposedly came out with cylinder disactivation, and there's not much support for it out yet, like tuning-wise, some of that.
Yeah.
And I did read also that it came with a built-driven oil pump. So a lot of people were iffy about that. What if it snaps on high RPM or something? You would blow the motor. So I just went with something with a platform that's already proven. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So this is gonna be the platform we're gonna be working with. And I mean, I'd be happy if the truck goes high nines. I wanted to go high nines.
Damn.
I'll be happy with that.
With the
And then
twin
it's
turbo.
404, so you know we're gonna be having some fun on the street.
Yeah.
But yeah, there you go, guys. New truck for the channel. For y'all Ford boys, I joined the team. No, so right on.
Yeah.
But yeah, so y'all gonna be seeing some Ford action on the channel now, and well, we'll see how it goes. We'll get into it later.
¿Qué más le vas a hacer a la truck, bro? Besides the twin turbo, you're gonna do something to like rims?
Oh yeah. That's. I mean, yeah, that's for sure. That's already for sure. We are gonna be doing the. We're gonna go with the VAS coilover kit all around. It's gonna be a 3.5 drop with VAS traction bars and coilovers. I did message him about that already. We are gonna be going with some welds for the wheels. I'm gonna go with some S77s. Talking to my buddy over at Welds right now as well. Yeah, the truck's gonna get a drop. It's gonna be dropped on welds. It's gonna be boosted. That's for sure. I am gonna be doing some color matching to it. I don't know yet if I'm gonna be keeping this grill or if I'm gonna be doing the other one. The one that doesn't have like nothing in the middle, that's just like an oval shape.
Sí.
Either that one or I'm gonna be color matching this one. I don't know yet. And the Embos, the Ford Embo, I'm gonna do it red. And I'm gonna be color matching the whole truck, the mirrors. And you can see inside the truck. This is the one that came with the big screen.
Dang, it's big, bro.
Yeah. And I'm gonna be color matching the back. And I think I'm gonna be doing these letters right here in red as well.
With the gray?
Yeah, like I'm gonna make the F-150 red and this red as well. So yeah, I'm gonna do a little. I'm gonna take it to Mr. Chapa. He's gonna do that. And I might. Well, no, if I do the Embos red, I'm gonna leave the tail lights red like that. I was gonna smoke them, but not. And the headlights up front, I do want to get them like painted silver in the inside.
Oh, sí, güey. The color
Silver and maybe like with a red outline or something. Awesome. We are going to be doing some changes to it. Right now it's stock, so y'all get a good look at it because it's not going to be like that for long. You know. But yeah, we had to jump in the Ford wagon and see what we can do with these Coyotes.
Yeah.
Let me know what y'all think. Thanks for all support. Like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate all of y'all. And there she is. New truck for the channel.
Yep. Another toy.
Another toy. Y'all can call me Pantoja Toys. Ay.
Güey, el que gane, se lo vas a dar. Si gana Mario, se los doy. Y si gana Mario, tú se los das.
Ah, bueno, está bien.
I don't know what's going to happen, bro.
So right now we set up a race. Me and Freddie are betting $50. I got Omar. He got Galvancillo. They're about to race from the light. So whoever passes the shot first.
Si va a patinar Galvancillo, ya lo vi.
Ya lo pre-
Ya lo vi.
So you know, it's gonna be a little fun run between Omar LS2. Omar's V6 versus Galvancillo 6.0. Ah, verga, se vinieron. You gotta have faith on Omar, güey. You gotta have faith on Omar.
Damn.
That's why I said from there to the shop.
Ey, como quiera, Galvancillo no le aflojó.
No, le vale verga, ¿no viste?
acá cuando se la atravesó.
Ya se me hacía que iba a levantar el basurero a verga que coño. Está bien, está bien. Pa'l gas, pa'l gas. Ah, va a estar caliente Galvancillo. Luego que el rematch va a decir.
Sí, hasta ahorita se lo avientan otra vez.
Yeah, es capaz.
So guys, Omar just won $50. No, that V6 putting in work. Maybe it is true what he says. That V6 got power. Ay, ay. La primera fue la que contó.
Tarado.
¿Por qué?
La policía.
Mira, ve. Te empinó más, güey. ¿Qué se siente, güey?
No hay pedo.
Ah, ok.
Es compa, es compa. ¿Qué pasó, Balancito? Mira, para que se nos des tomar. ¿Se me ganó? Sí.
Y la primera es la que contó.
Güey, pues me quedé quemando, yo les dije.
La primera dijimos de parado y el que pase la línea primero dijimos.
No, pero yo les dije.
Hola, te ganó la
No,
primera.
está bien, pero yo les dije, me voy a quedar quemando ya.
No, sí, pero por eso la carrera de parados.
No hay pedo, pa. No hay pedo, pues es una liviana para la danza. Va a venir bien contento, míralo.
Míralo.
¿Cómo, amor? ¿Cómo le haces? Ah, se fue.
Peyo.
Yeah, pues estar en Pérez,
Para que veas que sí cumplimos. No.
Ahí está, eso es de compas.
Pero yo les dije que me iba a quedar quemando llanta.
No, yo lo dejé en pinche traction. I didn't take out the traction control.
Moviéndose sí le gané. Sí.
Sí. Es que esas trocas están más chingones en el Dead Stop. No, de veras.
Estabas bien, ya. Ya queremos los tacos, ya.
Ya, ganaste.
Well, you're in a Corvette, you're not in a truck. Hey, well, you're in a sports car, I got to be a 50-60, güey.
Yo quiero 40. A mí me gusta manejarlo, así que se me va haciendo del auto.
Matt Story and Tune.
Me gustan esos. No, yo traigo 20s with regular tires.
Yo traigo 21, so
Se patina más perrón, así se va como que vaya patinando así en hielo. Mira,
Hey guys, mañana vamos al Bronco Freddy.
y si pierdes, you're gonna cam it.
No, sí puede.
Y si pierdes, you're gonna cam it till you're able to beat me. Y luego ya vamos a hacer lo que platicaste. Te vas para hacer bolas.
No, eso yo dije. ¿Tú qué estás haciendo?
Si me ganas, te voy a opinar con esta.
Qué mañoso.
No te creas, güey, somos camaradas, ven para acá,
No pasa nada, güey. It's friendly competition.
No mames.
Look, same motor, 6 blocks.
Y luego yo mi Chinese Turbo.
¿También tengo Chinese Turbo? ¿Cómo trae uno o dos?
Mañana sí le han dado tronco.
¿Está original?
¿Lo está original? Trae long tooth headers. ¿No dijiste hace rato a qué se dijo?
No, ese es Corsa exhaust. Ese Corsa exhaust en tú nomás. This guy's a big old 427.
El Big O 427 mañana. Es más, hasta le vamos a poner los otros ramps. Los que están más lightweight, más performance.
Para que patine más, póntelos. So it is currently now Monday. We did receive the truck on Saturday night. They shipped it to me from Florida. It is a 2020 5.0 10-speed 4x4. Like I said on the video already, we have big plans for this truck. We're gonna start getting into the Ford platform. We want to expand our business and expand our knowledge. So we are gonna be messing with this truck. I'm still not decided yet. I've been thinking about it really hard. I don't know if we're gonna go turbo, or we're gonna go twins, or we're gonna go Whipple supercharger. But whatever we do to this truck, it's gonna be fast. I mean, the goal for the truck is to be a 9-second daily driven truck, like a regular truck, and to hold its like original driving manners and everything, you know.
Yeah.
I'd be happy with like a 980 on this truck. High nines, I'd be happy. If we go a little bit faster, that's a plus. So I think I'm leaning towards more to a Whipple. I want to have something supercharged. Well, I have my CTSV, but it doesn't count, you know. I want to have a truck that's supercharged. So I think we are gonna go Whipple on this truck, and if I don't like it later on, we'll sell the setup and we'll just go twins on it. But yeah, so the plans for this truck is to go Whipple on it. And as I can see, I mean, it's 4x4. I mean, it's a new truck, you know. I didn't get the 21 model because the 21 model, there's no tuning available for it yet. Something about the oil pump was gonna be like belt driven, the motor oil pump. So I really didn't want to get into like a new platform that they had to develop new stuff for. So I went with a platform that's already proven. So we went with the 2020. And there she is. I mean, she's silver like my GMC, almost the same color. You know, had to keep a little little memory of this GMC. So this is the new daily, new shop truck. Stay tuned for more videos. We're gonna do a lot of upgrades to this truck. Shit. Just for now, tomorrow, I'm gonna keep y'all updated. I'm gonna draggy the truck, and we're gonna see what it runs stock with the on draggy, and then we're gonna go do bolt-ons on it and get it tuned, and we're gonna do a draggy again. So we're gonna keep y'all updated a lot with this truck. We're gonna be doing a lot of performance testing on it, and we're gonna see what we can do to it and what we can get out of it. We're gonna do from stock to bolt-ons, well, from stock to tune to bolt-on and tune, and then we'll the Whipple, of course. So stay tuned. We're gonna be having a lot of Ford. ¿Cómo le dices tú, bro?
Las foringas. Content.
Content, a lot of Ford content.
Not no continent.
Continent. So yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna have another toy in the channel now. No, I couldn't stay too long without a new toy. I missed the GMC already, so I had to get another one.
Igualito, the same color.
Same color and everything.
Yeah.
So stay tuned, because we're Team Ford boys. We got Freddy's truck over here in the lift, the turbo. We did a Thompson Motorsports 370 motor on it. We did a built 480 for it as well. And we did a Circle D 252mm converter. We're gonna have it ready sometime this week. We're still gonna leave the same turbo kit he had. It's gonna be 80mm, but it's gonna be a fun truck. He's gonna put down like 800 to the wheels, 850 horsepower. And it should be fun for him on the street. Stay tuned for this video as well. We're gonna get it ready this week. We also got his brother's truck right here. And we're doing an LS3 swap on this truck. On the 72. We got this CTSV as well, customers build. We're doing a ported blower, we're doing custom Grand Cam, we're doing some PRC heads on it, fuel system, ice tank, all that good stuff. So stay tuned, guys. Appreciate everybody. We've been having a lot of work. Thanks for all the support. We're staying really busy with these builds. And I mean, like I said, whatever y'all need, just hit us up through our Instagram page or text, call. We'll get to you somehow, you know. Appreciate all the support and everything. And if you haven't hit us up, the winners, well, one of the winners already hit us up for the $500. We're just missing the other guy, but we're gonna get in contact with him today, and we're gonna make that money get delivered to him. And like I said, we'll catch you on the next one. ¿Quema o no quema? Vamos a ver. Si quema,